Hey guys, Shane here from fuelgroup.com.au. In this video we're going to go over how you do a mail merge using Word 2013 and Excel 2013. Okay, to start off we've just got a general Word document that we've set up here as a bit of a template for you. We're going to use address, a greeting, we've got variable fields such as first name, city, company and representative scattered throughout the document. Now what I'll do is I'll bring the Excel spreadsheet over. Up the top we've got the header line which has the title, first name and last name, company, address 1 and 2, city, state, postcode, and we're also going to use a representative name as well. So that's a type of layout that you'll have to use in Excel. Okay, now what you do is go up to the top in the Word doc, click on Mailings, click on Start Mail Merge, and we will use Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Okay, so over on the right here it's got what type of document are you working on. With this one we're going to be doing letters. Then down the bottom click Next Starting Document. Now we're going to use the current document. If you've got a template or something else that you'd like to use, just choose one of the other options there. Now click on Next down the bottom. This is where we choose the file that we want to use. Now we're going to click on Browse. And we've actually saved it to our desktop, so you'll just have to find where you've saved your Excel spreadsheet. That's the one that we're after. And sheet 1 is the one that's got all of our data on it. And down the bottom you'll also notice that we've got ticked first row of data contains column headers. Okay, so this brings up the data for us. Now you've got some different options down the bottom here. What we'll also click on is Find Duplicates. And you can see here that it's actually found a couple of duplications. So we've got two Tom Joneses with different street addresses. So that's up to you as to how you want to play this, but we're just going to untick one of them. And then down the bottom we've got the same surnames, the same street address and cities, but we've got different first names. So we've got a Jane and Samantha. So with this example we're going to play it as if that they're two different people at the same address, and we'll send something out to both of them. Once you're happy with the duplications, click on OK. And then you'll notice that the Tom Jones record that we didn't want to send out to has been unticked. Okay, we click on OK. Then we'll go to Next, Write Your Letter down the bottom right. Okay, so this is where you start entering in the data. We'll put an address block up the top. Now from here you've got some different options as to how you can actually have it showing. We'll click on that one there and you'll see that it will actually give you the chance to run through and preview how the address will lay out. Now you can also match fields here as well, so you can quickly go through and make sure that all your city, state, postcodes and everything are matching up correctly. We'll click on OK. One other thing I'll quickly show you is that if you do actually name the city suburb, for instance, you can actually tick this box so that we'll remember it in the future. Okay, so we've got the address block up the top. We're going to click on Greeting Line. So we've got Dear Mr. Randall. That's a little bit formal I think for what we're doing, so we might just choose the person's first name. And again you've got the chance to run through and have a look at the previews. Click on OK and we'll just delete that there. Now what I've done to make it a little bit easier is I've actually gone through when I was typing this up and actually coloured the variable fields as red, just so that it really stands out and you don't miss it. Okay, so what we want to do now is click on More Items and we'll click on First Name, Insert, and you've got to go through and do this individually. Now it's actually put city in for us, but it hasn't done it anywhere else, so we'll click on City, More Items, click on City there, Insert. Now I'll just quickly go through. I'm sure you don't want to watch me do all these, so I'll quickly go through and then we'll come back. Okay, I've just quickly gone through and changed all those fields. So we've got first name, company, city and representative. Representative I've put down the bottom just in case you have some different people from your company that might be communicating with people via your direct mail. Okay, from here we're going to preview our letters. Now what you would probably do from here is actually go through and change all this text to black, but we'll just leave it as red just so that we can see it stand out when we go through. So we can see here we've got the address block up the top, the greeting line, and then you can see it's actually inserted all the variable data for us throughout the letter. Now you've also got the chance to go through and preview all the different letters. Now if you've got hundreds of them in there, you might not want to do this individually, so have a quick look at a few of them and you should be sweet to go. Next, if you're happy with everything, you can click complete the merge down the bottom, and there you go, everything's done. Now you can go ahead and print it, or if there is something that you're unhappy with, you can go through and edit the individual letters. Well, I hope that this has given you a good understanding as to how mail merges work with Word 2013. If you have any questions or if there's anything else that you'd like for us to do a tutorial or demonstration video on, please leave it in the comments or go to our website fuelgroup.com.au and you can get in contact with us there. Thanks for your time and have yourself a great day.